All right, so we're going to learn how to factor 4 terms. I do have some hints over here if you'd like to write them down. The first thing we're going to do is cut the 4 terms in half. Next, we're going to factor out the GCF on each side. And the last thing we're going to do is combine. So let's go ahead and put that into motion. On example 6, the first thing I'm going to do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. I'm going to cut them in half. So I'm going to look at these right here and take out the GCF. Notice I can take out a y, and I have x plus 3 left over. We're always going to take the sign here, whether it's a negative or a positive. If it's a negative, we have to factor it out, but in this case it's a positive. In between 2x and 6, I can take out that positive 2, and I have x plus 3 left over. Now, huge hint, these x plus 3's have to match. So we're going to combine those as 1, x plus 3, and we're going to combine the others as 1, y plus 2. Now, a lot of people get stuck, like, what do you mean that works out? Why do we take 2 and make them 1? Remember, if I had to go backwards and FOIL this, y times x is xy. Outer terms, y and 3 is 3y. Inner terms, 2 and x is 2x. And last terms, 2 and 3 is 6. So you can always check your work, which really helps out. Let's try another. 4 terms. When I have 4 terms, the first thing I'm going to do is cut it in half. What can I take out of the first half? 5q, and I have 2q minus 1. What can I take out of the second half? Looks like I could take out a t, and I have 2q minus 1. Do they match? They sure do. So now I'm going to combine the outside numbers, 5q plus t times 2q minus 1. And that is how you do factoring with 4 terms.